Howdy everybody, welcome back to Outnumbered Barbecue. Today we're going to put a barbecue spin on the Easter classic and make bacon burnt-in deviled eggs. To make the bacon, we'll start with sugar, salt, and pink curing salt. The exact amounts are in the description. Mix these together well in a zip-top bag. And we'll be curing a 2.5 pound pork belly. Just coat the pork belly well on all sides. And we'll add it to the Ziploc bag along with all the remaining cure. This is going in the fridge for the next 7 days. Make sure you turn it over each day so all sides get evenly cured. And here we are after 1 week. You can see how much moisture was pulled out of the pork belly. Now we'll give these a good rinse in cold water and pat dry. Now back in the fridge, these go overnight uncovered. Now here we are the next day. These have dried out nicely. They're ready to go in the smoker. We'll be smoking these today at 200 degrees until they hit an internal temperature of 150 degrees. Here we are at 1 hour in, and they've hit an internal temperature of about 116 degrees. And after 2 hours and 53 minutes, we've hit 150 degrees internal. We'll pull these out and let them rest. And these will go back in the fridge overnight so they're fully chilled. And here we are today. The bacon's been in the fridge overnight, so it's chilled. Now it's going to be easy to slice. For the rub today, we're going to be using this burnt-in rub from Heim Barbecue, but any rub with a lot of sugar will work fine. We'll be cutting this into about 1/2 inch cubes. Now make sure they're well coated with the sugar rub. Now onto the sheet pan. We'll be smoking these at 250 degrees for the next 3 to 4 hours. While those are cooking, we'll get our eggs ready. Just cover a dozen eggs with about an inch of water and bring it to a boil. Once the water comes to a boil, just cut off the heat and put the lid on. Set your timer for 13 minutes. Once the timer goes off, the eggs go in an ice bath. After peeled, place all the yolks in a bowl. After 4 hours, the bacon burnt ends are ready to come off the smoker. Now we'll mash all the egg yolks. We'll chop up some bread and butter pickles. Add the Dijon mustard, the hot sauce, the mayo, and a pinch of black pepper. Give that a good stir. Once again, the exact amounts are below. Now just add the deviled egg filling to a Ziploc bag. We'll cut off the tip and then fill each egg half. The final step is to garnish with a little paprika and then add each bacon burnt end to the top. Doesn't that look good? Now let's give it a taste. That's a good deviled egg. Once again, thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and we'll be seeing you.